وَلَنَبْلُوَنَّكُمْ بِشَيْءٍ مِّنَ الْخَوْفِ وَالْجُوعِ وَنَقْصٍ مِّنَ الْأَمْوَالِ وَالْأَنفُسِ وَالثَّمَرَاتِ وَبَشِّرِ الصَّابِرِينَ الَّذِينَ إِذَا أَصَابَتْهُم مُّصِيبَةٌ قالوا إِنَّا لِلَّهِ وَإِنَّا إِلَيْهِ راجعون. We will surely, definitely try you and test you and put you through calamities. A little bit of fear sometimes. You're going to be afraid. You're going to be hungry sometimes. You're going to lose some wealth sometimes. Sometimes you're going to lose loved ones from around you, death. And sometimes you'll lose luxuries and opportunities and crops around you. Allah says, give the best news to those who persevere and are patient.